Well, good morning, everybody. On this graceful morning, it is my privilege and it gives me an immense pleasure to share few concepts on yoga. Friends, let us start the session by Udgita Pranayama, followed by salutation to Patanjali Maharshi. Before, let us sit in any one of the meditative postures. How beautifully Patanjali Maharshi has defined an asana. Stiram Sukham Asanam. Now, in any posture, if you have Stiram and Sukham, that is the Sukhasana. Friends, I take Padmasana. I am entering Padmasana from the left. It is called as Vama Padmasana. I take Dhyana Mudra and place on the knees, rest on the knees, the spinal erect, sit straightly, gently close your eyes, take a deep breath. Take a deep breath. Deep breath. Deep breath. Deep breath, friends. योगेन चित्तस्य पदेन वाचाम् मलं शरीरस्य च वैद्यकेन योपार्करोक्तं प्रवरं मुनीनां पतञ्जलिं प्राणिनाथोऽस्मि पतञ्जलिं प्राणिनाथोऽस्मि ॐ Omkara Japa Pranayama Tapa. Friends, today I have brought a beautiful shloka to present before you related to Prana Vidya. Prane Bhutancha Bhavyancha Prane Sarvam Pratishitam Prano Hi Bhagavan Matareshwaram. Friends, we are standing on the era of quantum physics. Quantum physics says everything is prana. Prana. Energy, energy, everything is energy. Energy is prana, prana is mother, prana is father. Today, let us learn about Bhastrika Pranayama. Friends, in the starting, we use this Bhastrika Pranayama to clean the nasal passages. Today we shall learn Bhastrika Pranayama. Bhastrika Pranayama is an extension of Kapalabhati. What is this Bhastrika? Bhastrika, the bellows, hand bellows. Hand bellows are, now this hand bellows in the regional language, it is called as Kulume or Tiri. Kulume or Tiri. Hand bellows are rectangular shaped leather box. These hand bellows are used by goldsmiths, blacksmiths, and in metallurgy. They are used to deliver additional fire. Bellows are used to kickstart a fire. Bellows are used to stroke a dynamic fire. If the bellows are small, it is operated by a single hand. We pull the lever up and down using a single hand. Heavy bellows are operated by using two hands. The hands are moved up and down. The lever will be moved up and down. So that is a bellow. Today we learn Bhastrika Pranayama. Bhastrika Pranayama, please remember, it is called as bellow breathing. Bellow breathing. It is an extension of Kapalabhati Pranayama. Friends, suppose if I place my left hand here, now if I take this mudra is called as Shivalinga Mudra. This is the Shivalinga Mudra. I take a part of the Shivalinga Mudra. This is Shivalinga Mudra or your thumbs up Mudra. Shivalinga Mudra. I close the right nostril by the thumb. The left nostril is open. Now I inhale and exhale. It is similar to Kapalabhati. I inhale, I take the left hand up. Exhale by taking the left hand down. Inhale, take the hand up. Like that. Now, I'm placing the right hand on the nose. The right nostril is closed by the thumb. Now I use the fingers to count like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we start from the left nostril. Now since we are starting from the left nostril, it is Vama Bhastrika. I repeat once again, it is Vama Bhastrika. We are starting from the left nostril. Well, I take the Shiva Mudra, Linga Mudra from the thumb. I close the right nostril. I start. I inhale, take the hand up. Exhale, take the hand down. So 10 cycles, 10 cycles, 10 into 10, 100 strokes. That is one round. So we are performing Vama Bhastrika. We shall start. 10 cycles are over. Now take a deep breath. Exhale. Take a deep breath. Exhale deeply. Once again, take a deep breath. Slowly exhale. Friends, this is Vama Bhastrika. Now we proceed to Dakshina Bhastrika. I take the Linga Mudra. I close the left nostril by the thumb. I start the Bhastrika. I inhale. I take the hand up. I exhale. I exhale by taking the hand down, like operating a bellow. Operating a bellow. I close the left nostril by the thumb. Now we shall start. Count. We count by the fingers on the left hand. Left hand like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We shall perform 10 cycles. 10 into 10, it leads to 100 strokes. I close the left nostril by the thumb of the Shivalinga. I start. I inhale, take the hand up. I exhale by taking the down. We shall start. Slowly, deeply inhale. Deeply exhale. Inhale once again. Deeply exhale. Friends, inhale deeply. Exhale. Now, this Bhastrika Pranayama, now we have performed Vama Bastrika from the left, Vama Bastrika from the left, and Dakshina Bastrika from the right. Now after this, we want to go to relaxing pranayama. Every pranayama is followed by another pranayama. What is this relaxing pranayama? Now we take the Vishnu Mudra. This is, if I put down the first two fingers, this is, friends, this is Vishnu Mudra. This is Vishnu Mudra. Today, let us take the Mrugi Mudra. Now, if I take these two fingers, now, look here, friends. Now, suppose if I take this mudra is called as Prana Mudra. Prana Mudra. Now, if you are suffering from any disease, to come out of that disease, now this Prana Mudra is very helpful. To heal the diseases, we use this Prana Mudra. This is, friends, this is Prana Mudra. Now, if I invert this, this becomes Mrugi Mudra. Now it is just like a deer. Deer. This is Mrugi Mudra. Deer. D-E-A-R. Deer. Now I can use this for pranayama. I can place on my nostrils, on my nose, and I can operate. This is Mrugi Mudra. Friends, this Vishnu Mudra, if I put down, this is Vishnu Mudra, this is Mrugi Mudra. Now these two mudras we are placing at the tip of the nose. The tip of the nose. So these two mudras are called as Nasikagra Mudra. These two are Nasikagra Mudra. Now we perform the Bhastrika Pranayama. Bhastrika Pranayama by using both the hands. Like I inhale, I take the hands up. I exhale, I take the hands down. Now it is just like operating a bellow, hand bellow. Now the bellow is heavy, we use both the hands like this. We move the lever up and down of the bellow. Now inhale, take the hands up. Exhale, take the you put the air outside. Inhale, exhale, take the hands down. Now we perform 10 cycles. 10 cycles, 10 cycles, 10 into 10, 100 strokes. Let us start. So 100 strokes. Take a deep breath. Exhale slowly. Take a deep breath, my friends. Exhale slowly. Take a deep breath. Exhale slowly. So this Bhastrika pranayama is followed by relaxing pranayama. You would have done in the previous pranayama also. Anyhow, now this is the relaxing pranayama followed to Bhastrika pranayama. Well, we know, friends, we know the breath ratio formula. The breath ratio formula is 1:4:2. 1:4:2 means if we inhale for 1 second, we want to retain for 4 seconds. Inhalation is called as Puraka. If you retain the breath inside, the air inside, it is called as Kumbhaka. If I exhale, I want to exhale for 2 seconds. Exhale is called as Reshaka. Here we can observe that if we inhale for 1 second, we want to retain for 4 seconds. We want to exhale for 2 seconds. Here you can observe that for exhalation, we are giving more importance. If we inhale for 1 second, we want to exhale for 4 seconds. We want to exhale for 2 seconds. Twice as we inhale. Now in this breath ratio, 1:4:2, we assign 5 seconds. Assigning 5 seconds means it reads as 5:20. 5 into 4 is 20. 5 into 2 is 10. It becomes 5:20:10. It means if we inhale for 5 seconds, we want to retain for 20 seconds. We want to exhale slowly for 10 seconds. So this Bhastrika pranayama is followed by this relaxing pranayama. I take the Mrugi Mudra today. Mrugi Mudra. I close the left nostril. The right nostril is open. We inhale slowly for 5 seconds. After inhaling, gulp the air inside. Gulp the air inside. Hold it, Kuppaka, followed by Jalandhara Bandha and Moola Bandha, Kuppaka for 20 seconds. Slowly come up. Exhale from the left nostril, Chitranadi. Slowly for 10 seconds. This is the first count. Close the left nostril. Inhale by the right nostril for 5 seconds. Gulp the air inside. Go for Kumbhaka with Jalandhara Bandha and Moola Bandha. Kumbhaka for 20 seconds. Come up. Exhale from the Chandranadi. 10 seconds slowly. You should not burst it out. Slowly exhale for 10 seconds. Second round is over. Third round. Close the left nostril. Inhale from the right nostril. 5 seconds, friends. Slowly. Gulp the air inside. Go for Kumbhaka with the two bandhas for 20 seconds. Come up. Exhale from the Chandranadi. Slowly for 10 seconds. Slowly. Inhale deeply. exhale. So every powerful pranayama is followed by this relaxing pranayama. Friends, this relaxing pranayama, taking the air inside, gulping the air, performing the kumbhaka, and exhaling from Chandranadi, exhaling from the cool Chandranadi. Friends, this I have learned by an Himalayan yoga guru, a wonderful pranayama. This relaxing pranayama is very, very important, friends. Now, what is the use? What is the use of this pranayama? Now, I told Basrika pranayama. Basrika pranayama is an extension of Kapalabhati. It is a modified form of Kapalabhati. All the benefits of Kapalabhati can be enjoyed in Basrika pranayama also. Now this, if we perform, if we practice Basrika pranayama, so many diseases can be cured. So many diseases can be cured. The diseases like diabetes, blood pressure, thyroid, heart diseases, so many types of cancers, hepatitis A, B, C, one of the dreadful diseases, hormone imbalance. For hormone imbalance, there is no cure in modern medical science. Of course, modern medical science is an advanced science. Genetic disorder, fatty liver, depression. Nowadays, it is so common. I don't know. They feel that they are alone. Now we have millions of people. Now we can talk with them. We are not alone here. We have only Earth. We have so many other worlds. We are not alone. Why we want to go to depression? I don't know. Epilepsy, stroke. In Nadi Shuddhi Kriya Pranayama, I explained the nadis emerging from Brahmarandra, 1,50,000 nadis to the left, 1,50,000 nadis to the right. Now, in Anuloma Viloma itself, the epilepsy may be cured. Now, with Anuloma Viloma, we have wonderful Kapalabhati and the extension of Kapalabhati, friends, we have gifted by Basrika Pranayama also. Well, tomorrow we learn Ujjayi Pranayama. Ujjayi Pranayama is the pranayama with Kumbhaka. We retain the air inside. Now, just now, we practice the relaxing pranayama. In the relaxing pranayama, we are retaining the air inside. Now, in any pranayama, if you have Kumbhaka, it is called as Abhyantara pranayama. Tomorrow, we learn Ujjayi pranayama. Ujjayi pranayama is also with Kumbhaka. It is an Abhyantara pranayama. Well, friends, 2 minutes left out. Now we chant 3 Omkaras followed by a Shanti mantra. I take the Pranjali Mudra. Pranjali Mudra is also called as Namaskara Mudra. Sit straightly, the spine straight, the neck straight. Gently close your eyes. Deeply inhale. Deeply inhale. Inhale, my friends. ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। Have a great day, dear friends. Have a great day.